Hello and welcome to Microsoft Hates Greg. My name is Greg Deckler, and today we're going to be looking at another Power BI alternative. This time it's going to be Helical Insights. And I'm right here. I'm cracking myself up right now because I just recorded this video, and uh, and one, it failed miserably. It didn't work at all. It actually installed a service, and then the service wouldn't start. And but then I realized I'd forgotten to share my screen. So anyway, so we're gonna be doing this again. So this was supposed to be one of those where like you were seeing it at the same time that I was, but I've been through this installation once and watched it fail. But we're gonna try something a little different this time, so and hopefully it'll work. But anyway, you go here to this screen. You go to the free download and you enter your contact info stuff, and they that it creates a download file and it takes you to some documentation stuff. So anyway, so you end up with this right here. So we're gonna right click this, open JDK platform binary. It's probably gonna open some stuff here on this other screen. Yep, I got a splash screen. It's asking me if I want to install a virus. I say yes. Another splash screen. There we go. So we got this. And we're just gonna say next. Say we accept. Next. Send to the program files Helical Insight directory. Next. And open source, man. Yes, that's how it works, open sources. Usually your program doesn't, directory doesn't exist. Okay. All right. So this is now I left this all defaults the last time. And so maybe it got hung up in that something else was using these ports. So I'm just going to, you never know. I'm just gonna go ahead and say bump these up to 6585, 6506, 6587. Say next. 6585, yep. And so we're supposed to go to this localhost 85, or in our case, 6585, and then HIEE. So next. All right. We'll see if this works this time. So out here, they do have some like the documentation guide. So how to install, right? So yep, there's a Java platform SE binary. Yep, and then there's the installation. Supposedly at that point, you're just supposed to go to localhost 8085 or HIEE. In our case, we'll go to localhost 65085 HI-EE, and hopefully it will work. HI admin. I had no idea what the huh, default admin, default user. Maybe that's how I can get in. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe it'll have this stuff filled in for me. Then I have to change it after I haven't been in it yet, so I don't know. So now let's see, let's check out their clients. So I recognize Roche, and it might be it. Okay. Okay, they've got 6, 7, 8. 1, 1, 1. Why even bother separating out if you just got one in there? Yeah, so other than the others category, it looks like they're mainly focused in healthcare. Maybe that's how they got their start. Don't know. It's like we're done, I think. Next. Didn't say there was any errors. Yeah, so I had to go run this. It created an uninstall file, and so I had to go run that. All right, so now the question becomes, yeah, so it's there it is. Start. Windows cannot start Helical Insight service on local computer. The process terminated unexpectedly. I don't know. What do you think? Should we go look at the Windows logs? The event viewer? Maybe we can see something in event viewer on what is causing it grief. Applications and services. Windows logs, application, error. Tomcat 9, exe. Boy, that's a lot of information there, at least, you know. Error. 1000. Application crashing. Yeah, yeah, I would say it is. That's exactly what it did. Multi module. Yeah, well, I mean, hand it to open source to give us garbage that we can't get to run. So I don't know. This is the second time. At least I shared my screen this time. But yeah, it's not unexpected for open source that you can't even get the stuff installed and running. I guess there you have it. So Helical Insight, meh. Probably it's my second time installing it and not having it work. So probably not going to try again. It's not worth looking at, I would say. But you do like to at least maybe try to get this stuff to work, open source. Just maybe you might want to test your code once in a while. I don't know. Just you know, a suggestion from me to you. Free advice. All right, that's all I have for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.